Hello everybody, this is David Hadley with Bulletproof Legacy Financial. Today we're going to talk to you about a very simple plan which could help your family avoid probate. Probate is a very unnecessary process that many people don't have to go through, but they wind up going through it anyways because they didn't have a plan. See, you guys, most people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. So stay with me till the end of this video so you can learn a few reasons and ways that you could help protect your family and possibly avoid probate to make sure that your family is never experiencing the financial and emotional burden that is totally unnecessary that they don't have to go through if you would just implement this simple plan into place. So we're going to talk to you about a few things today that are important to have inside of your plan to help you avoid probate or potentially even living probate. So first and foremost, with our simple plan, you can actually make your changes anywhere at any time. See, you guys, when you go and make a change to your traditional trust, you actually have to go and contact an attorney. Give them a call, get on the calendar, whether they're doing it over the phone or you're going in to go see them. They got to get you on their schedule, make the change themselves, and then they're going to send you a bill on the way out. Whereas if you're on vacation, you're not at your house, but you're sitting there somewhere and you want to make a change to your trust, you can sign into your phone, make that change right then and there. Secondly, many people, they go and get trusts, and sadly, these trusts are not even funded. The traditional way of funding is a nightmare. The lawyers have to go and write letters to the bank, the title company of your house, the DMV, the custodian of your IRA or 401k, and retitle these assets into the name of the trust when you could just simply electronically assign your assets in one day. This is a great way to help your family avoid probate or your assets being probated through court after the time of your death. This simple plan, you guys, it can't be lost, burned up in a fire, washed away in a flood or a hurricane, depending on what part of the country you're actually in. This plan is digital. So God forbid your house burns, gets flooded out, when you lose your phone or computer, you just go get a new phone, get a new computer, and you're going to sign right back into your digital trust. Whereas the other side, well, hopefully your attorney's office didn't flood out or get burned up, but even though they got this stuff downloaded somewhere, you're still going to have to pay the attorney, print all your stuff out again, sign notarized forms on there. They're going to print it out, 3-hole punch it, put it in a book, send you another bill on the way out of their office. Is this something you really want to go through? God forbid you ever lost your trust, as though you didn't already have enough financial problems in this experience alone already. So we actually have an e-vault system in there too, you guys. You can leave videos to your loved ones. I've even had a few clients want to not leave such friendly videos to a few people, but after the time of your death, at least that video is emailed out to your friends, family members, people of your church, or whoever's important to you. You can leave a video to them. Next is making sure you have your interactive medical ID card. It's a little plastic card, goes in your wallet, super small. It has your medications that you take on there, anything that you're allergic to. Also, your healthcare power of attorney and your finance power of attorney are on this as well. It's important that the physicians or even ambulance drivers have a quick way of accessing your medical records and who's in charge to make a healthcare decision or a financial decision in the event that you became incapacitated and couldn't make that for yourself. If you don't have a healthcare power of attorney or a finance power of attorney, you could potentially find yourself in living probate. I'm sure it wasn't your intention to put your family through an unnecessary emotional or financial burden because you weren't planning for an ambulance trip to the hospital because you got in a car crash one day. Some person hit you at a stoplight or an intersection running a red light. You're on the side of the road, ambulance is coming to get you. You weren't planning for this, and because you didn't have a healthcare power of attorney or a finance power of attorney, you could potentially wind up in living probate. Going down to a strategic relationship with the trust company. Many people, even though now your family isn't going through probate, thankfully your family member had a living trust in this, but are you ready to be the successor of the estate, successor trustee, or even the executor of the estate? Many families, you guys, would have a huge burden on their plate by being the executor of someone's estate, making sure that each person's getting what they're supposed to be getting. Will they even know what to do, how to do it, when to do it? Could this be a burden for them? You guys, we have the option to have Crawford be the successor trustee of our digital trust for you in the event that you needed a responsible entity to manage the distribution of your estate on there. Now, another great way, you guys, and one of the kind of bows on the present here of our digital plan is that ours actually comes with an IRA beneficiary trust. This is an extremely important document for all you guys out there that have qualified plans like a 401k, an IRA, a 403b, a 457, just traditional IRA, any pre-tax account, or even a qualified Roth account. You guys, after somebody receives this money, they got to take this over the course of 10 years. Most people are not offered financial advice. After someone dies, the bank or the custodian is literally just calling them up and saying, hey, your dad died, you left $250,000 behind here, would you like the money? And in most cases, 99 out of 100 times, they're going to say, yeah, I'll take it all. And they'll take it all up front. Well, one, they're going to pay the most possible taxes they could possibly pay. Two, what if they have a gambling problem or a spending problem? Quick, interesting fact, you guys, is that 78% of inheritances are squandered within 18 months. You guys, this is a crazy fact. Is it your intention for your family to blow all the money that you're leaving behind for them within 18 months? Hopefully not. Well, not only do you want to protect them from unnecessary taxes, you want to protect them from spending problem if they have one, but what if they were going through a lawsuit, a bankruptcy, or a divorce at the time of your death? And then this money goes to them in one lump sum, and they're losing half the money to a divorce, all the money to a lawsuit or a bankruptcy, or they're paying the most possible taxes. You guys, all of these things could be mitigated with an IRA beneficiary trust. This is an extremely important document to have inside of there. Many times it's not even offered to you at all by your financial advisor. There's only a couple reasons your financial advisor wouldn't tell you about this document. One is they're fairly new to the industry and they just don't know about it. Possibly they've been in the industry for a while and they just didn't care or they forgot to tell you about it. And you guys, is forgetting or not telling you about this important document okay with you? It's not okay with me. You guys, I couldn't imagine having a financial advisor for 10, 20, 30 years and them not telling me about this document when it could have mitigated all the unnecessary taxes, a spending problem of any of the kids, or protect any of my children. God forbid they go through a lawsuit, a bankruptcy, or a divorce. This document's important. It's included in our one-time flat fee. This simple digital estate plan, you guys, is one of the most revolutionary plans that I have ever set my eyes on. I am a huge fan of the digital trust using Nevada law. There is a whole bunch of reasons why you guys should book a call with me to learn more about why you should use a plan using Nevada law and how all these documents that I listed out in this video today could protect your family from so many different scenarios. By the way, this plan is a fraction of the cost of a traditional book trust. It takes a fraction of the time to set up as a traditional book trust. It's the quickest, easiest, most cost-effective way that I know about protecting your whole entire estate and keeping your family out of probate, making sure that your assets never see the inside of a courtroom. So you guys, you want to learn more about this? Book a call with me using the link down below. Use a 30-minute discovery call to learn more about how this plan could be a strong fit for you and your family. Again, my name's David Hadley with Bulletproof Legacy Financial, and I look forward to bulletproofing your family's legacy.